Taixing Chuanda Plastic Material Company Limited, covering an area of 10,000 square meters, is located in Taixing, Jiangsu Province, the Teflon Industry Cluster region, which is 1 hour by express train from Shanghai. The company is based on the research, production, and sales of the PTFE and silicone-coated fabric, and is the leading production base for PTFE and silicone-coated fabric in China. We have 2 sets of advanced coating production liner, 6 automatic high-speed warping machine, and 6 impregnated product lines. We have 50 working staffs, among which there are 8 engineers. Our engineers conduct research and development activities regularly and gives emphasis to the development of ways to manufacture more efficiently, which help reduce costs, improve quality, and match individual requirements. The main series of our products are PTFE coated fiberglass fabric, PTFE open mesh belts, PTFE adhesive tapes, PTFE fusing belts and seamless belts, PTFE coated Kevlar fabric and mesh, silicone coated fiberglass fabric, etc. Our products meet international criteria and has complete safety certificates like FDA, LFGB, RoHS, REACH, etc. Our main overseas market is North America, Western Europe, South America, Southeast Asia, and also Africa. Welcome friends from all over the world to visit us and discuss cooperation.